Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to eBay. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official website of PayPal at paypal.com. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you are in, make sure your PayPal account is verified and linked to a valid bank account or card, as this is necessary for making transactions on eBay. Now, open a new tab in the same browser and go to the official website of eBay at ebay.com. Make sure you are logged in. Tap on your profile and then go to account. Scroll down until you find the payments option. Tap on payments and then select add payment method. Here enter the PayPal account details. Now your PayPal will be successfully added to your eBay account. You can use it to make purchases or receive payments if you are a seller. And that's it. Now you know how to add PayPal to eBay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.